If you're part of a large organization, it might not always be obvious what version of Copilot you have. You might wonder whether or not you're using the full paid version of Microsoft 365 Copilot or just the free Copilot Chat that comes with your Microsoft 365 subscription. Let's walk through the simplest ways to tell what version of Copilot you're working with. To begin, log into your Microsoft 365 account. If it's not already set up on your system, the easiest way to do that is to go to office.com. Although the URL has changed, this will redirect you to the updated Copilot home screen. Next, enter your login credentials if needed. In Microsoft 365, the default sign-in experience opens directly to Copilot Chat. If you see a work web toggle, such as this one, that's your first big clue. The work option means your Copilot is licensed to access your Microsoft 365 data, like your Outlook emails, your Teams chats, and your OneDrive or SharePoint files. If you don't see this toggle, you're likely using the free version. Another indicator is to look in the bottom left-hand corner here to see your subscription status. That is, if it's asking you to upgrade, then you're in the free version. Next, check your desktop apps. Open Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, or Teams. In Excel, we see the Copilot icon on the right-hand side of the Home tab of the ribbon. This means we have Copilot for Microsoft 365, the paid version, and we're able to then use Copilot inside of our applications. If the icon isn't there, you're probably using Copilot Chat only. So the quick summary is, if you see the Work Web toggle or the Copilot icon inside of your applications, you have the paid version. For more Microsoft 365 Copilot tips, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Copilot. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Microsoft 365 and Copilot tips. Thanks for watching.